Today we are going to discuss about price elasticity of demand. It was Alfred Marshall who first introduced the concept of elasticity in economics. Now we will see what is the definition of price elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand can be defined as the degree of responsiveness of quantity demanded of a commodity in response to change in its price. Elasticity means responsiveness. You have already learned the law of demand, which tells us when there is a change in price, there will be a change in quantity demanded. But it does not tell us how much the quantity demanded will increase or decrease as a result of change in its price. It is price elasticity of demand which tells us how much the quantity demanded would increase or decrease as a result of a given fall or rise in price. Elasticity will be different for different commodities. On the basis of rate of change in the quantity demanded, elasticity can be divided into 5. Perfect elastic demand, perfect inelastic demand, unitary elastic demand, elastic demand and inelastic demand. Perfect elastic demand. Demand for a commodity is said to be perfectly elastic when a slight change in price leads to infinite or unlimited change in quantity demanded. Here, a firm cannot change the price at all. If they change the price, no one is going to buy that product. That means the elasticity of demand coefficient is infinite. For example, demand for milk. It is perfectly elastic demand because there are a lot of producers and consumers in the market and there is no difference in the milk that is produced by the different producers. If any producer increases price with the smallest amount, his demand will disappear. Customer will switch to a different producer. Here, the demand curve would be parallel to x-axis and the slope of the demand curve is 0. Next one is perfectly inelastic demand. Demand for a commodity is said to be perfectly inelastic when quantity of the commodity demanded remains the same irrespective of any rise or fall in its price. For example, life-saving drugs that people will pay any price to obtain it, even if the price of it would increase dramatically, the quantity demanded would remain unchanged. In case of perfect inelastic demand, the demand curve will be a vertical straight line and the elasticity will be 0. One is unitary elastic demand. Demand is said to be unitary elastic when a given proportionate change in the price of a commodity leads to an equal and proportionate change in the quantity demanded of that commodity. For example, a 10% change in the price of a commodity will lead to a 10% change in the quantity demanded of that commodity. For example, demand for mobiles. The next one is elastic demand. Demand for a commodity is said to be elastic when a small change in price brings about a proportionately larger change in the quantity demanded. For example, when 10% price changes leads to a 30% change in the quantity demanded, it is called elastic demand. Coffee and chocolates, because these products are substitutes and it is easy to find substitutes when product price increases and the demand will be more elastic. Elasticity will be greater than 1 and the demand curve will be more flat or steep will be less. Next one is inelastic demand. When a given change in price leads to a small change in quantity demanded, it is called inelastic demand. For example, a 20% change in price leads to a 10% change in quantity demanded. It is the case of inelastic demand. For example, petrol and salt. Petrol has few alternatives because people with vehicles need to buy petrol. But generally, if the price of petrol goes up, demand proves very inelastic. And salt is also inelastic. It is a good with no real substitutes. So when the price goes up, people will not change demand. The elasticity will be less than 1 and the slope of the demand curve will be high. Hope you understood the concept of price elasticity of demand. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video.